passive income ideas for photographers. So, ever since I created my last video about passive income that I make specifically through Pixie that video just blew up. You guys loved that video, and so I knew I needed to make videos about more passive income ideas for photographers. And I get it because as photographers, we can get so burnt out, especially during busy season, and we need ways to make income without actually adding more work and time into our schedule that we don't have, especially during busy season. Um, so in this video, I have 3 ideas for you of ways that you can make more passive income through photography. And my number one way is upselling. So for me personally, I only include a certain amount of digital photos with my galleries. And that is honestly the main way I have been able to make a really good income from photography because almost all of my clients end up upgrading to the full gallery. So, for my mini sessions, I only include 5 photos. And then for my full sessions, I include 20 photos. And I generally deliver a gallery of like 75 to 100 photos for mini sessions and like 150 to 200 photos for full sessions. So, and those galleries are filled with tons and tons of variety. And so almost all of my clients end up upgrading. So I upload the gallery to Pixie, and if you don't have Pixie or if you don't have a gallery delivery system yet, I'll go ahead and leave a link to that in the description below. And Pixie allows you to upload your photos with a watermark, and then as soon as your clients download or purchase the photos, or download the ones that you allow them to download, then they'll be able to download them without the watermark. And again, you don't have to do anything. Nothing is required on your end. So I actually go ahead and edit the full gallery and upload that full gallery to Pixie edited. And it's worth the time investment to do that on my end. I know a lot of photographers that don't include the full gallery will just like upload the non-edited files with a watermark and then edit the ones the client chooses. But for me, like I said, since so many of my clients or most of my clients really upgrade to the full gallery, it's worth it for me to go ahead and edit all of them while I'm already like it's faster for me because I'm already editing the photos, might as well edit all of them and upload them into the gallery. Um, so yeah, I just go ahead and upload all of them, and that way it's completely passive from then on. So if people decide to come back at any time, because I never delete my galleries, so if someone decides to come back years later and purchase photos, I don't have to do anything. Or if they decide to purchase photos, if it's like holiday time or whatever, I don't have to actually go in during my busy season and edit more photos, completely passive from the time I upload them. So, I have an email template for how I deliver my galleries in a way that I explain to my clients how to download their photos from Pixie, how to download their free photos, and how to upgrade their package if they want to upgrade. So you can download that email template for free in the description box down below, and I think that will really help you. But the way I set up my Pixie account is I set up a coupon, and I just set up like this. It's just one coupon, like for mini sessions, and then one coupon for full sessions. And then I set the limit to only allow one coupon per gallery. So that way they can just download their 5 photos or their 20 photos that their session comes with. And then if they want to purchase any additional photos, they can just purchase those through my Pixie store. So you do have to, for when you set up your Pixie store, you have to add on the option for a digital download. So personally for me, I have my digital downloads set at $25 per photo or the full gallery. So I basically double the price of the session for the full gallery. So my mini sessions are 250. So 250 for the session and then 250 to upgrade to the full gallery. And then same for my full sessions, but my full sessions are 650. So like I said, almost everyone upgrades to the full gallery. And if you are struggling to get people to buy extra photos or upgrade to the full gallery, I think the best thing that you can do is learn to add more variety into your posing. So you should be delivering a gallery that is full of tons of variety, specifically in posing. So what I've found is let's say it's a full session, so they get 20 photos included with their session. So if I just deliver a gallery full of 20 different poses, even if I include so much variety in like horizontal versus vertical, close up versus far away, they're still going to just choose one photo of each pose, if that makes sense. So, when you are able to deliver a gallery full of tons of different variety in posing specifically, then you will be able to upsell um, your galleries. So, if you're interested in learning how to achieve more variety in posing in your galleries, I actually have a free download for you guys down below, and that is my top 10 favorite prompts for those genuine, natural, authentic family photos. So, I go through all of the prompts, explain how I achieve each one, what I say to the families, and especially what I say to the kids to achieve each prompt. And I also give you tons of variation so that you can really get tons of variety in posing just from the same prompt. And you can achieve a gallery of like 150 different photos, truly different photos from just these 10 prompts. So I think you guys are really going to love this guide and it's going to make a huge difference. So go ahead and take that to your next family session and let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, so next, my number two way for you to make passive income as a photographer is to create an Amazon storefront. So I bet you have tons of products that you already recommend to your clients, and if not, you definitely should. So for me, I actually have a client closet where I will supply dresses for mamas and outfits, swaddles, and props for babies for newborn photos. But if you're a family photographer who does not have a client closet, then you should definitely be using Amazon storefront in your outfit guides that you send to your clients to recommend dresses for them. Or outfits for the kids, or for dads, or shoes, jewelry, anything like that. And Amazon has a lot more than just like cheap clothing. One of my favorite brands on Amazon is called Nothing Fits But. And it's specifically made for pregnant and postpartum mamas. So that is a great brand to include all on there. So you're just going to go to Amazon, you're going to join their influencer program, and then create an Amazon storefront. And then you can actually send just that link to your storefront to your clients. You can link it onto your Instagram bio. Um, you can include it in your email marketing, in your emails that you send to your clients. So I'll go ahead and include a link to my Amazon storefront in the description so that you can see what types of products I include on there. So, my number three thing that I have for you guys of how to make passive income for photographers is to use email marketing and to use it to advertise your prints to your clients at very strategic times during the year. So, if you don't use email marketing, I use and recommend Flowdesk. I will leave a link to them in the description below. And then for my galleries, like I said, I just leave those up for forever. Again, I use Pixie and I have unlimited storage. So there's no reason to take those galleries down when people could always go back to them and buy prints or products or buy additional photos. So I just leave those up for forever. And then what you can do is you can, well, definitely during the holidays is a great time to people to purchase prints and products for gifts for the holidays. You can do it for Valentine's Day, for Thanksgiving and Christmas, for you can ask your clients on your questionnaire their birthdays, recommend it for birthdays. So that is another great way. Like you don't have to do anything on your end. You can set all this up in advance. You just set up the email one time and you can use it for all of your clients. So, totally passive income. And I think that that would be a really great way for you to be able to make more money from each of your sessions. So, I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know which idea you are the most excited to try. And let me know if you have any questions or any additional topics you'd love me to make videos on, because I would love to be as helpful for you guys as possible.